Want to turn your Prestashop store into a marketing machine? What am I saying? Of course you do. With MailerLite's Prestashop integration, you can sync your customers, send beautiful emails, and automate sales, all without breaking a sweat. Or, maybe with minimal amounts of sweating. First, let's get the MailerLite module installed. Starting in your Prestashop admin dashboard, click Modules, and then Module Manager. Type MailerLite into the search bar. Once you find it, click Install, and then click Configure. Next, you'll need your MailerLite API token. You can click the link under the input box to go straight to your MailerLite API page, or you can manually find it by navigating to Integrations and then API in your MailerLite account. Click Generate a new token, give it a name like Prestashop Integration. You'll need to agree to the API token requirements in the terms of use, and then click Create Token. Then you'll be able to see your API token, and then you'll only get to see this once, so you may want to copy or write it down somewhere just to keep it safe. Once you close this window, you will not see it again. Paste that token into Prestashop, and then click Save. Now scroll down to Settings. You'll need to select a subscriber group at MailerLite where you would like to sync the customer data. We'll choose Demo Group for now, and then toggle on Double Opt-in. If you want to add pop-ups to your Prestashop store, you'll want to enable MailerLite pop-ups. Remember, pop-ups can be set to appear based on a number of triggers, like when they scroll down the page, before they exit, or after a certain period of time. To learn more about how to use pop-ups in MailerLite, check out our tutorial linked in the description. Keep an eye on the Synced Fields section up here as well. This tells Prestashop which subscriber fields you want to carry through to MailerLite. You're able to add and remove these fields as needed, with the exception of the name and email fields, which are required and don't have the little X next to them to remove them. Click Save when you're done. And then, if everything went smoothly, you'll see the synchronization panel at the bottom of the page, where you can synchronize information like product names or categories over to MailerLite. And now for the fun part. Let's say you want to feature some of your Prestashop products in an email. Here's how you do that. From your MailerLite dashboard, go to Campaigns, and then click Create Campaign. Let's go ahead and select Regular Campaign. We're breezing through the campaign details right now, but if you want an in-depth look on how to create campaigns using MailerLite, check out the video in the description. Hit Next, Content. Then we're going to start from scratch with the drag and drop editor for now. Alrighty, and then we're not going to design this email at the moment, but what you're going to want to do is head over to the e-commerce section, and then drag in the products block. Then once you do that, click into the block and select Add Products from your store. All right, and then if you have multiple e-commerce stores connected, you'll want to click onto this drop-down and select your store. So here you see Prestashop there at the top. We'll select that. We'll select a demo product, hit Insert, and there you go. The integration will go ahead and pull through all of the details for your product and put them here in your email. Now, if you click the Edit button in the right sidebar, you can still edit other details for how this is presented in your email newsletter. So if you want to edit the image, you can do so. You can replace the image with another one. You can change the product title if you want to change that. You can add a product description, and then it will show up there right in the drag and drop editor. Your product link will also display over here. If you'd like to add a discount, you can do so, and you can also change the text for the shop button. In addition, you have customization for the block itself. So if you want to have it be vertical or have a horizontal layout, you can choose that. You can also pick how many products in a row you'd like to have, from 1 or 2 or 3. You can change the alignment within the block. Again, you can choose whether you want to have an image or not. You can change the image width, and then pick what you'd like to display. So you can remove the description display, remove the price. Once you're finished tweaking the design, hit Done Editing. And then from there, you'd go through the review and schedule the same way that you would with any other campaign. All right, now what if you want to see how your emails are performing? Head over to the Campaigns tab, and you'll want to go to a Sent campaign. This one we did not send because as it is simply a demo email that we've created for this video. But you can click View Report on the campaign that you want to see details for. And then if this is an e-commerce campaign, you'll have an Orders tab here, where you can view any order information as well. And then automating your store's emails is just as easy. To do that, head over to the automation page. Let's go ahead and create a new automation. Let's start from scratch. We'll call this one Prestashop Automation Demo. And then for this, we're going to select e-commerce automation. For the shop, we'll select Prestashop. And for the trigger, we're going to select abandoned cart. Then for a delay, this is going to be for how long after they've abandoned their cart do you want this to go out. And so we're going to go by, let's say, hours, maybe 2 hours. And you'll want to activate e-commerce tracking for this workflow. Then hit save. And then from there, you can build out the rest of this workflow. So you'll hit the plus button and then have an email go out. And then again, this next part is the same as designing any other automation. And if you want to see more about how to use our automation builder, check out the video linked in the description. Once you're done designing your automation, go ahead and turn it on and let it roll. Next, let's see how we can get these products into your MailerLite landing pages. From your MailerLite dashboard, click over to Sites in the left sidebar. Now, you can either create a new site or you can edit one that you've already made. For now, let's select one that we've already created. But if you want to learn more about how to create and use landing pages, check out the video linked in the description. In the builder, drag in the products block from the left sidebar. Then select Add Products from your store in the right sidebar. If you've got multiple e-commerce integrations, you'll need to select the one that you want to use from the dropdown. We'll select Prestashop. Let's go ahead and select a couple of products, and then click Add Products. Now, as we did in campaigns, you can change how you'd like the layout to appear. We'll go ahead and set this to horizontal, and then select 2 products per row. When you finish customizing your landing page the way that you want it to look, go ahead and hit Done Editing. And then if you want to view orders that were made through your landing page, in your page overview, click the Orders tab, and then any orders that come through, you will see in here. And that's it. You've now turned your Prestashop store into an automated marketing powerhouse. Emails? Check. Product promotions? Done. And sales tracking? Easy. Now go on and convert those visitors into loyal customers, because your store deserves it. And remember to like and subscribe for more of the best tips in email and digital marketing.